This is gonna be good, Chewy. Oh, you're gonna look up my nose. This is gonna be good. All right. I don't know if you can see the lack of definition. My dog doesn't know how much snow there is out. I can barely open the door. All right, out you go. Bye. It's cold out. It's snowing. Go on. You wanted to pee. Don't do it on the porch. Yep. Can't see the stairs. You're gonna pee right there, aren't you? If I know you, you're just gonna. I'm done. Oh, you poor thing. I'm not shoveling a spot for you to pee. You're just gonna have to figure it out. Yeah, just go over there. Oh, this poor thing. Keep going. There you go. Oops. No, further out. Further out. Go on, go pee. Poor thing. Is it snowing? Yes. Come on, in you go. Oh, don't run down the stairs. What do you think?